So we're picking up from yesterday, where we got the container to launch, but there were some random issues. And now we're going to continue. We're trying to get Moonshine AI to work on the little Home Assistant Yellow with our little fun Home Assistant Voice Preview Edition. Now, one of the things that we've sort of seen as we're doing this is the setup Home Assistant doesn't work very well. And it kind of gets into a state where it can't find the network services. And I think this is because it's using DNS for discovery. And the answer is it's always DNS. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to reboot this little machine really quickly. And we're going to hope it comes back up in a state where the Home Assistant Naboo software or whatever it is can find the thing. Okay. So it says starting the Wyoming protocol. Home Assistant has started. Refresh this logs page. No, I want to find the logs of this. Okay, so we see that the little service has started. Okay, Naboo. Let's see. Don't want to use Whisper. Let's make sure Whisper is disabled. Let's go to apps. Whisper is not running. Okay. Is Moonshine running? Moonshine's running. We need Piper running. So Moonshine and Piper are both running. Now we need to go to devices. Let's try setup assistant. Let's see if this works. So the change from yesterday. Okay. Okay, Naboo. Okay, Naboo. No, we're using full local processing. Just using some RAM. That makes sense. We don't have any actual text recognized yet, but okay, Naboo. What time is it? One of the annoying things is like, there's clearly some logs here, but we don't have them. I wonder if I can get that from devices. It's phome. Is there a way to get the logs? Oh, there's a download diagnostics. What are the 15 entities? Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay, well, It's taking a while. What about if we go ahead? Let's go download diagnostics. See if this. Oh, this is just a lot of JSON. Okay, Nabu. What time is it? Okay. Failed to create entry for fast whisper. Cannot connect. Failed faster whisper. Okay. So the good thing is like we've got discovery going, but we've still got some issues with something else. We go to log. We've got like this, right? It says it's listening, or 10:30, zero compass faster whisper. Docker. Where huh, that's weird. Why is it? Okay, so we've got this. It looks like it's probably started. Got the Moonshine model. Maybe. Okay. Let's go and set up transcriber. Transcribing audio for um, okay, I'm just guessing here. Where else might it be breaking? Name. Do we have a? Okay. Wait server run. So we do see, yeah, it says ready. Okay. Server. We haven't changed any of that. Okay, let's go underscore logger.debug, starting Moonshine model. Okay, let's go ahead. Priming model with 0. Logger.debug. And model E. Model ready? Yes. Let's double check the Moonshine AI docs. Do we call start, or is that something that I was looking at a different? Where'd my mouse go? Did I lose my mouse again? Oh no, it's here. Okay. Ah. Okay, self dot recognizer dot stop. Wait, am I? There's a non-callback version of it that I want to use as the starting point. Getting started with transcription, examples, Python, basic transcription. That's the streaming version. Non-streaming version is just transcribe without streaming. No recognizer start stop. Okay. Okay. Lines got lines, four lines. All right. Well, we still don't know why it's not connecting, I guess. Let's just text back. All right. Oh, for run my Pi again. And add a bit more debugging. Avoid start. We don't actually need streaming. Yeah. And we're going to go over here. Get clone specific commits. I don't. Fuck you, ads. No, I want to get clone. No, fuck you. I want to get clone, add a specific commit, and I don't want to bother getting more. Get clone, shallow, specific commit. There we go. Dash revision. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna go build containers, Moonshine, and config Moonshine. No, okay. And then we're gonna go over here. Okay. Grab a new version, get more debugging. Container. Build container. Hopefully, no, that did not work. God damn it! Fucking. Did I miss? I'm. Spell, but this turns out to be an AI hallucinated parameter. I'm going to be very annoyed. Get 2490. Let's go. Get version. Ah. Okay. Let's just tag it. Um. Okay. Big clone depth 1 tag. Does it only take branches? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, that's the other thing I was going to do. Install Moonshine voice separately for caching. It doesn't make a huge impact on the AMD64 ones, but as we see here, it's a little bit slower with the ARM one, so installing it separately so we can cache it, and then we can iterate a little bit faster. Other thing that we can do by doing that is like if we make more changes to our wrapper, um, you know, with a number of different things. I might have to go soon. I was hoping that this would go well at our fuzzy, um, or faster, I guess, really. Now, okay, other things, what other things have we learned in this process? Every time we update the container, we pretty much have to reboot the Home Assistant because the Home Assistant software uses DNS to do service discovery, which I get seems like a great idea until you try and deal with it. But maybe we can get away with not doing that. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to stop on Moonshine. And then we're going to go back to apps. Let's check for updates. Yeah. Never mind. Specific tag. The newer get feature. Specific. Rev. Let's just use tags. Also, let's pip install Moonshine voice so we can iterate. There we go. Got the new version. Pull it in. Go over here into log. You can see it's stopped. To go like settings, system, logs. And then, okay. Oh, interesting. Home Assistant. Oh, it's forcing it to go to faster whisper? That's a terrible idea. That's not what we want. Okay. I think this might be the person coming. We might have to do a part 3 after lunch. But I think we might have found um, sort of the problem here. I'm just guessing, but yeah, we don't want this to be looking for faster whisper. That's uh yeah, definitely not what we want. So what would we do here? Most likely, I guess what we would do is we would just ignore when it asks for faster whisper. Maybe that is the error. That would be interesting if this turns out to be what the error is. If we go to supervisor though, yeah, we can see we've got version 8 just pulled in. So now if we go settings, apps, Moonshine, start. It's annoying that it's hard coded to look for faster whisper. So then we essentially just have to say that we are faster whisperer. Okay. I mean that happens, I guess. Okay, now we got a bit more time, so um right, like gotcha. Um okay. Um for some reason, uh the HA pipeline has some hard-coded stuff. Look for faster. So we always get Moonshine regardless of what it asks for. We always give Moonshine if available, and ask us for okay. I mean, it's a hack, but like whatever. Um, I don't love it, but okay. Let's see if we're gonna get this again. Um, let's go. Where were the logs for this that we found it? I think we found it. Settings. It's like settings system. Logs. Right. 11, 12. What time is it? It's not that. Let's hit refresh. Hey Jarvis, what time is it? So like here, if we go look, right, we've got priming model with zeros, model ready. So yeah. Um, 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 weird. I don't like this, but okay. So you are saying essentially, let's see, is it going to say what we set up our transcribers with? So it'll tell me. Yeah, okay. Fine. Uh, this is a hack, but we need it because stream. Um, the, let's go ahead and grab the exceptions so that I've got it. Um, let's go ahead and hit refresh, make sure. Oh, don't have it anymore. Okay. Um, because the client coded. Okay. For anywhere else where we've got whisper mentioned. Fudge. Gotcha. Now, let's see if this works, I guess. I don't know if this is going to work. So, um, version deal with hard-coded pipeline. Um, oh, cool. You know, damn it. Oh well. So we got for the morning. So what else would we do? Let's see if we can go back to the local processing. See if we can get that error message to show up again. Hmm. Hmm. So check for updates. You just push version 9, right? Did not push it yet. Okay. Updates. Privacy settings. System logs. Supervisor. Okay. So My guess is that this is looking for some hard-coded bullshit. Uh, that's why it's failing, at least based on the error that we've seen so far. That would be what I would expect. Underscore transcriber. Um, Transcriber library dot master whisper. Extra keys or faster whisper because headline. This is very much a hack, but okay. Okay. Am I playing on it? Wait. Why are you starting this? Oh, my friend. You're misbehaving. You're not doing what I want you to do. Your settings. Whisper. Are you running? Should not be. You should not be. Let's go to apps. Whisper. Uninstall. Fuck this shit. I think it's possible that I'm gonna have to switch the app name to Whisper because this thing is just so hard coded to look for Whisper. Which I don't love, but no, well, I mean, whatever. Okay. Um, right code, Whisper models, not Moonshine. Um, oh yeah, wait. And then Docker file we also need to update to but version. Okay. Then push build container. Should be relatively fast. We want to restart the thing while we're here. I think yes. I think we've seen before that this thing gets kind of into a state. So let's restart the Home Assistant. Wow. We're building the container. All right. I'm guessing now, could be wrong. Settings, apps. I guess we can update private. There's no particular harm in that. Figure out some stuff. And we can go ahead and we can update Moonshine. Go to blog. Okay, that started. We've got our device. We've got our logs for home that. Got the app here. Got the activity here. We don't have is settings, system, logs, supervisor. Okay. Is there a like clear? Okay. Well, let's give it a shot, I guess. Is Piper running? Piper's running. Moonshine's running. Well, figure out some other things like that, but okay. Okay. Okay, Nabu. Okay, Nabu. The local processing. Yeah. No. Fuck you. Stupid piece of shit. Sorry. My apologies. What I meant to say is this really lovely piece of software is hard-coded to look for an assistant called Whisper. So we're gonna first off, we're gonna go get rid of that Whisper app. It's garbage. It's not garbage. It's just, it's garbage. Can I configure this here? Home assistant. Ah. Speech to text. Okay. So full local assistance. Here. Okay. Don't love all these hard-coded things, right? Like they're, I get it. But like, you're supposed to do discovery. So, okay, where is this? No. You're terrible. Let's go to log. Yeah, it doesn't work because we already have a service. That does this. Problem is, he's not very smart. So it does not know that. How will we fix this? So, okay, ways to fix this. Option one, we could just try naming our extension Whisper and see if that works and give it a version that's higher than this one. Like sort of the classic. Uninstall. Uninstall. Okay. Go look in config. Log is going to be Whisper. Your version is going to be 3. Well, let's go with version 4.20. O-alpha. Feature detection with Moonshine. That pretends to be Whisper. Okay. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna uninstall. Stop it. Uninstall it. Uninstall it. Let's go alpha. HA is hard coded. Although, okay. Well, do we need to do this? Maybe not yet. Although, okay. No, we probably do. For now, okay. Uninstall, uninstall. Then we're gonna go to install apps and repositories. Delete this one. We're gonna add this one. then we're going to install it, and maybe... Okay. There's an error. What is the error? Oh, bye! Let me go see. Okay. So yeah, let's go find the log. I'm guessing it's something like you can't call yourself Whisper because there's another Whisper. But hey, who knows? Settings. Go back here. System. Logs. Okay, let's clear this. Because I think this is fixed. It's clear, and then we're gonna go to supervisor. What's up? Oh, okay, yeah. Not found. 420. Okay, that's great then. We can fix that really quickly. I thought it was gonna be like we can't call ourselves Whisper because I mean that would make sense. But I like to think maybe it'll work. Let's find out. Moonshine. Okay. Install app. Moonshine. Install. Oh, okay. Fixed version string. Okay. Go ahead, check for updates again. Install. Meow meow. What? No. No, if it is good fortune, but we'll find out. Okay. Now let's see. If we do this again, we want to use full local processing. Next. Now it says it's installing Whisper. Damn it. So it seems to know, fuckers, that our Whisper is not actually Whisper. Now, fudge. Well, it's worth a shot. Okay, we're gonna go. Let's stop Moonshine so that Whisper can register, and then we can figure out how we can take the place of Whisper. Maybe we go configuration. Okay. Yeah, it seems to imply that it's working, but if we go over here in settings, voice assistant, full local assistant, it's saying that there's no is there something extra that we have to do? Oh, outside. Okay, cool. I'm gonna come back to this later, and we'll